I have decided, on the counts that it's still pretty chilly outside, I'm gonna make some ramen. I mean, I can't really go wrong. I really love the tacos as well. I want to eat both of them, but I can't eat that much. So for right now, I'm just gonna do ramen for lunch. And because I'm making a campfire and I want to use my Dutch oven on the fire, then I'm gonna make the mini pizzas on the campfire. Right. I did not put enough water, but it took forever for the water that was in there to boil, so because it's windy outside. So it's half of what I wanted, but I'll make do. I was trying to play guitar and I attracted an audience. I attracted a spider. That is the biggest spider I've ever seen when I'm out here. I literally got up and it was right next to my chair, which is now here, because I wanted to film the spider. And I was looked to the left, I was like, holy moly, that's a big spider. It's underneath the van right now and it looks like it's gonna go past the van unless it tries to get on a tire, which I'm gonna try to divert it from that. This is my tire. Look at that thing. That thing's grande. Okay, it's on the move. I finally nudged it to go the other way. Hopefully it doesn't come back to the van. That was a crazy big spider. That was the excitement for today.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of another 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
This is what not to do, because I just ended up talking to a friend on the phone and then I forgot about it. And it's a little overdone. At least we know that the Dutch oven does work. It works a little bit too well. Camping is not perfect and van life is definitely not perfect. So things happen. It was mainly due to user error, me. And I have done pizzas on the campfire before and they've turned out pretty well. This time around I just got on the phone with a friend and totally forgot about them, and one of them was salvageable, the other one was completely roast, so I might have to eat some hummus tonight or something. I am gonna enjoy this sunset, I'm gonna enjoy this campfire, and I will see you guys in the next one.
We can look back someday.